This is the homie Nibba here. Welcome back to a brand new video. As you can see, we're in the city of Boxart once again in my favorite alleyway. Today we're gonna be cooking some good ass shit once again. Today's menu is gonna be crabs and noodles. Crabs and noodles. Crabs and noodle soup is one of my favorites. It's packed with protein. It's beautiful. We're gonna go hunting for some crabs in the alleyway. It's gonna be amazing. Number one thing to remember is to get crabs, you need to be quiet. Now in the streets right here, the alleyways, there's tons of crabs. They're hidden under rocks, grass, shrubble, under cracks. You can find them anywhere, right? You just gotta look for them. Another thing to have is it's an important item. You really want this shit right here. If you're gonna catch a crab, you're gonna need this shit. On top of it needing to be quiet, you gotta be fast too, because they're really fast. You gotta creep, then you gotta be fast. You gotta strike once again. You gotta, because you don't, then you're gonna fuck up. You need, watch my hand movements, all right? You gotta do that. If you don't do that, you're gonna fuck up, right? You know.
5 minutes later.
All right, guys, we found the fucking crabs. We need to be very quiet, because any sudden movement, and those motherfuckers are dipping. We don't want those crabs dipping, because if they dipping, we're gonna be starving. We're gonna be sucking dick next to El Super. We don't want that shit, okay? We gotta creep with our shit, okay? Now I'm pro, you know. Back in the day, I always used to get crabs, and this is no different today. Very quiet. Bitch ass nigga. We got a catch right there, guys. We did pretty fucking good. Alright, guys. Alright. This is pretty decent sized crab. You know, really good to eat. Packed with lots of protein. It's really good, you know? Look at those talons, bro. This is gonna make a juicy ass meal right here, bro. Got this sexy ass crab. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be real good to eat. I'm gonna eat tonight, nigga. I'm gonna fucking eat tonight, nigga. Oh, yeah. It's fucking nice, man. All right, guys, we found another crab now. In order to get this crab, we gotta do the same procedure. Remember, same procedure. Get on your knees, bend down. See that bitch right there? All right, guys. We got it. We got it. Great job, team. We got it. As you can see, this is a little bit more. It's probably a 2-incher right here. It's pretty small, not that big, but it's decent, you know. As long as it gets the job done, doesn't matter what size it is. You feel me? This, yeah, this was definitely a baby. Yeah, you could tell by the crab pussy right there that it's definitely a baby. It's not even grown into a full-on dick yet, so. Crabs right there, look. Oh, perfecto. We're gonna make some good crab noodle soup, right? Alright guys, first you wanna get a pot, any size pot. Next you wanna get your local cup of noodles at the 99-cent store. Next you wanna open that bitch, alright? Next you wanna dip that bitch. Next you wanna dip that bitch in the pot. Noodles. Next, you want to put the cup of noodles in the pot, like so. Next, you want to get some water and just pour it in the bitch. Next comes the most important part. Make sure your hands are washed. Mine are always washed. And then you just want to mush the noodles together, right? Watch my hands very carefully. The way I'm seasoning the rice. I mean, the way I'm seasoning the noodles. You want to do it just like me, right? You know, pretend like you're playing with girl's pussy, you know? You want to get deep in there. Doesn't matter how dirty it is, you want to get deep in there, you want to get messy, all right? You want to get messy. If you don't get messy, it's not going to come out right. That's just the way it is, you know? Pretty good, right? That's good. Now that our noodles are done, you just want to let it sit in the sun for a couple minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, you know? Right, next, you want to cook it the old California torching way, you know? You know how we do it. crab's cooking, our crab's getting pretty red. That means it's cooking pretty well, right? Nice, guys, nice. Alright, guys. Our crab is pretty, looks like a beautiful crab cake, guys. It's fucking nice, man. It's gonna be delicious. Guys, we're gonna get our second crab. This one's pretty nice and red. So put this one on top. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. That was a pretty good flame right there. Our crabs are cooking pretty well. It's pretty nice, juicy crab. They're almost done cooking. Then we can put in the noodle soup. Alright, guys. Yeah, these are pretty cooking well. Pretty juicy, pretty nice. That's what I'm talking about, bro. That's some good ass food right there, bro. So, I'm gonna eat tonight, nigga. So once your crab's done cooking, you know, it's all fresh, all nice, all tender. Next, you want to put it in the noodle soup, right? Right. So you get your chopsticks, cause you know you Asian as fuck if you're cooking this shit. Just remove the ash, cause you know, cancer. You don't want no cancer. Dip it in there. Once you see how tender that crab is, you want your crab to look pretty red. Now this is pretty good. Next, you want to put it in your pot. Just want to mix that bitch in there. That is delicious. That is delicioso. Beautiful, man. Fucking nice. Nice. So, if you have a girl coming over, you know, I guarantee you, this is gonna get you some good ass pussy, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely fucking beautiful, man. Fucking nice, man. That's some good ass shit right there. Once your noodles are done, you just want to dig in. No matter how shitty it looks like, I guarantee you, it's... I almost forgot. How could I... I'm stupid. My dumb ass. I forgot the Taco Bell hot sauce, bro. It's the final ingredient. Look at that shit. That shit's nice as fuck, boy. Look at this shit. Fuck. Right, I want to mix this shit. Fuck yeah, bro. About to eat this dog afterwards too. Fucking cunt. You wanna dig in, bro? Like I told you guys, it's pretty crunchy. That's just delicious. Look at that. Look at that meat. Look at that white, delicious meat right there. Alright, guys, we're gonna take a hit of the baby one right here. Little baby cheeks. Fuck. Fucking delicious. Oh my god. Wow. Quality.
Disgusting, nigga.
Wow, that filled me up real quick. That was a delicious meal, guys. So now you know how to make crab noodle soup. If you're ever in the alleyways, you go hunting for some crab. I taught you how to catch them, taught you how to cook them, and now you get to eat them. All right, guys. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, you know, enjoy that Cali life, the California torching lifestyle. Cooking delicious foods every day. You already know it. Asian Mafia cook. You know, look at this shit. Hell yeah. Thank you. Thank you for watching this one. Thank you. Well, I love you. Fucking love you.